Okay, so I'm here with my wife. It is post Kona Low 2.0, sending so much love to the state of Hawaii and all those who have been impacted by this catastrophic storm. Number 2.
Thankfully, we didn't have the winds this time,
Right.
but many people's homes were flooded.
Yeah.
It's just so much mass of water,
Right.
and it's devastating.
Yeah.
People have had to evacuate entire areas.
Have you ever experienced anything like this before? I mean, we've lived here most of our lives.
I have.
But it's been years though, right? This is
Yeah.
not
I mean,
this is not common, okay?
Oh no, it's not every year, but it happens every so often.
Yeah, once in a great while. I think I was reading somewhere. It was
This
like the
isn't
last
even-
one was 2004 or 2006 actually.
Yeah.
Humongous flood. So
And this isn't even hurricane.
yeah, this isn't even hurricane, okay? So we're out here today just doing cleanup and taking care of the land and giving actually gratitude to just giving gratitude for the many blessings.
Yeah.
So it's like a time like this I was just thinking
Count our blessings.
there's so much desperation and fear and worry and I thought it would just be a really great moment to just remind those who are in that space that we absolutely are there with
praying
you
for
and
you.
praying for you.
holding you in prayers of comfort and support and recovery, and that assistance comes your way in all forms: financial, health, nutrition, comfort, anything that you need at all.
Yeah.
And that the Aloha spirit prevails.
Yes.
It helps everyone support one another at this time, and touches the hearts of those who are desperate.
Right.
That they, rather than turning to looting and things like that maybe they can lend a hand,
Yeah.
because that's when you receive so much more than if you were to take from someone else.
It's a choice, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's in that split second of either expiring or inspiring. So, yeah, we just wanted to send our aloha and love to everyone affected or those who have family and friends who are affected, to all of the first responders, to HECO, Spectrum, all the utility companies who are doing their best and having, nightless,
Exactly.
sleepless nights, just
Sleepless
trying to
nights.
fix
Yeah.
everything for the state of Hawaii.
And help people have power again to their homes, restore power to their homes. And we kindly ask that everyone just be patient,
Yeah,
that we'll all get through this together.
right.
But
Together.
be patient with HECO and the city and county who need to do road repair and
All the
like
things.
sinkholes that
Yeah.
are damaging our roads, and just be patient.
All the consequences that come with this kind of weather
This mass devastation.
devastation. So we are the Aloha State, and in unity we can come together. Maybe some of us can't be there physically to help one another, but I do know that in prayer we can definitely hold hands and do that for others who are in need. So with that being said, we just send our
We
aloha
send
to
our
you.
love and our
Yes.
aloha to you, to
Please.
your families.
Know that you're not alone and you're supported. Keep breathing aloha
Yes.
and remember that you are supported and loved.
And just as best you can, keep your vibrations up, no matter how challenging it is, because that's when help arrives.
Thank
So,
you.
we
Back
love
to
you.
work we go. Aloha.
Aloha
We
for
love
now.
you.
Ahui ho.
Hui ho! I can't. Can you help me make a shaka? These leather gloves are great, but they're stiff. There we go. Okay. Hui ho for now. And sometimes we need just a little bit of kokua, a little bit of help. Aloha.
Aloha.